everyone, welcome to these Cabbies, Dolls, and Toys. I have a treat for you guys today. I am going to be showing you my soft sculpture Cabbage Patch Kid newborn edition kids. They're so adorable. They're the most, they're the kids that most look like babies, right? So they're, as you can see, the newborns, some of them are bald, some of them have a little sprout on top of their heads. They look like babies. They're absolutely adorable. They're cuddly. They're cute. They are just everything. And I can't wait to share them with you guys.
These Cabbies, dolls, and toys.
Welcome back, you guys. So I'm going to introduce you to the kids one by one, and they're all newborns, like I said, and so they are like in the middle size. So soft sculpture Cabbage Patch Kids come as lullabies, which are the really tiny 12-inch, and then they have the preemies, which I believe those are usually like special editions, not always, but they're not as easy to find. And those I want to say are like 17 inches, and I believe the newborns are 18. And then you've got your full-size kids, which are I believe they're called the Little People Kids. Those are 22 inches. So we got a few different sizes with the soft sculpture Cabbage Patch Kids, and the mass market too come in all different kinds of sizes. But this is a really nice size because they're like little babies, you fit them in your arms, and I love all of them. The lollies, you guys know, are my absolute favorite, but I like the newborns too. And the big kids are great because they're just so beautiful and there's so much detail, but they're large. They're very big. They're not lap babies like these guys are and the lollies are. But I love them all. I have a mixture of everything in my collection. But I wanted to share with you guys the newborns today. So this is Earl, and he is my only baldy. So he's got the big blue eyes. He's got the little blushing on the head. I love the blushing so much. They do such a good job with that. And then he's even got it on his fingers. Too cute. He's a 2020. Most of these kids are all newer that I'm going to show you. He's got little fuzzies in his head. So this is Earl. He did not come in this outfit. He's actually I think he's in one of my older videos also. You can find him. I think he was in the one that I did with my special the softies that were special to me. I did a video on them about a year ago, and he was in there. But this is Earl, and he just melts me. Look at him. His big smile, his arms open wide. He's a keeper. Okay, so this is Happy. Happy he's just everything. Look at him. He is too cute. So he's a brown-eyed Asian newborn, brown Asian-eyed newborn. I don't know what's going on with me right now. I can't speak. And he's got the brown little tuft right there, and he's just, oh my goodness, he's so cute. I love his little nose. He is just everything, you guys. Look at him. So cute. So he came in this little baby gown that says I'm one of a kind. So this is a Cabbage Patch Kid trademark baby gown that he's wearing, and he's modeling for you guys. Oh, he's so cute. I love him so much. This kid is one of those kids that I see him in my collection, and I'll walk by because they're all on display, and I'll walk by and I'll just have to grab him and hold him because he's just so cute. He's like, hey there, give me a hug. Look at him. Oh my goodness, how do you not love this face? I've actually had collectors ask about him, like, hey, if you ever get rid of him, and I'm like, oh no, not Happy, not him. He's not going anywhere. I do rehome them sometimes, but I have my special kids that that's not gonna happen. But he's one of them. but he's absolutely beautiful, and I love the fact that I'm sharing him with you guys right now, because I can just tell that some of you guys are going to have a big smile on your face when you see him. So he also came with the blanket. See, and this is seriously, his name is Happy. I'm not his original mommy. I don't know who named him, if the collector named him or if they named him at Babyland. But and here's his blanket, and it says Babyland General Hospital. And so I usually keep him like this. I'll show you. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love him. I don't want to put him down now, but I have to, because I want to. I have to. Oops, sorry about that. I have to show you guys the rest of them. But say bye, everybody. We gotta bring another kid along. He doesn't want to leave either. He's so cute. Okay, all right. Say bye to Happy, you guys. I'm gonna bring another kid out. So this is Chester. And he's just everything. They're all just amazing. But look at him. Look at him. Look at that sweet baby. So he's got green eyes, and he has a little wheat tuft right here. He's not wearing his original outfit. I do change them a lot. You know, it's fun to change them and dress them up. I have all of their original clothing, but I do like to change them every once in a while. This outfit actually came from my friend Michelle. She sent a big box of stuff for me for my birthday, and I'm just trying to show you guys this cute outfit. So she sent this. She sent this for Branch, but Branch is wearing another outfit that she sent, and he's wearing this. So, but he's a special little guy. Oh, and it comes with this cute little undershirt too. He's a special little guy, and I'm going to be honest, I almost rehomed him and a while back, and I'm so glad that I didn't. There's a little tiny like water spot right here, and I noticed it. I don't know what that came from. Maybe I was spraying Febreze or something one day. I have no idea. It's barely noticeable. Someone actually purchased him, and he was about to leave my patch and go off with another mommy, and I noticed it, and I let her know, and she changed her mind. So I refunded her, and you know, the sale didn't go through, and I'm so glad, because I really love this kid, and I don't remember what the situation was. I know sometimes it just gets really crowded here, and I only have so much room in the doll room, and I don't want to get to a point where they're, you know, getting put in boxes and closets and things like that. When it comes to that point, that's when I start rehoming them, because I don't feel that it makes any sense. They're to be enjoyed. They're to be seen and loved and played with and photographed and all that good stuff. So it was one of those points where it was getting busy up in the doll room, and I was about to start having to put some kids in the closets, and so long story short, he was on his way out. He was ready for the plane ride, and last minute I noticed that, and he didn't go, and he's still here, and I'm glad, because look at him. He's beautiful. He's special. And you guys are gonna see, I don't have a lot of newborns. I've only got 5 of them, I believe. Yeah. So, you know, I have a preemie, and I do have a special edition newborn that's a Halloween kid, but you know, I don't have many, and he's beautiful, and he's different. Like, he's got a little, I don't know if you guys can notice, but his head's on a little like side, but he's kind of like this a little bit, but I don't mind it. He's got a little head tilt. But I don't mind it. I think it gives him character. And I remember when I first got him, and I was so excited. So, yeah, he's going to stay with me. He is. I think that little tiny spot right there happened for a reason, because he's not going anywhere. So, yeah, this is Chester, everybody. And he's one of my little heartthrobs. So cute. The last two. Peekaboo. The last two are, these are 2020 New Year's Eve newborns. So these are special edition babies, and they are beautiful. I mean, they're so, okay, so they look like the other newborns, but they don't at the same time. So see their little tufts? This material that they use is so soft, and it's just, this is beautiful. I love their little tufts. That's, I know in a lot of ways they look like the other newborns, but I love their little tufts. I love the outfits that they chose to put them in. So the little girl over here, she's my only girl, newborn, not my only girl, but my only newborn girl, and her name is Lunis Geneva, and she is a little princess. Look at her. So she's got this beautiful snowsuit, fuzzy sleeper. This came from Carter's, and the year that these guys came out, when they launched these kids in these snowsuits, everybody was rushing to Carter's to get snowsuits for their cabbies. I'm not even kidding. Look at little bear ears. Isn't that cute? So she looks a lot like her brother over here, Mario. And you guys might recognize Mario because I got him recently. I got her shortly after. I did not buy, okay, let me start over. I did not adopt her from the website the night that they went on sale on New Year's of 2020. I got her a few months later, or maybe not even, maybe like a month later, from a fellow collector, special friend of mine. And she gave me a great deal on her, and she's been with me ever since. Obviously, she's not going anywhere ever. So even though I didn't get her right away, I feel like I kind of did, because it was shortly after I lucked out. Now, Mario, I just got like a little over a month ago. These kids are not easy to find. They're not. This edition is not easy to find, especially finding the boy. And I love the mocha skin boy. So he's the mocha with the blue eyes, and then he's got his cute little blue tufts, and his little blue, you know, bear sleeper. Look at the little ears. I love it. So I'm going to actually put him aside, since you guys probably did see him thoroughly in one of my recent videos, but probably not her. So this is her sleeper. Underneath the sleeper, they came with these. Oh, this is not not at all the onesie that she came in. I'm going to show you his, because I don't know how this got changed, but this is not the little onesie t-shirt that they came with. It says 2020 on it, and I'll show you his, because hers is identical, except the lettering, I believe, is in pink. So anyways, this is what I have on her, and I don't remember why, but also the print on the inside is very cute. But these are just beautiful kids. I loved how they, okay, so sometimes with the newborns, they'll keep the newborn size, but then they'll put like a lot of hair on them and things like that. So they'll look just like the regular full-size kids, except they're just a little smaller. And I loved with this edition how they still kept them looking like a newborn, like a baby, but they were creative enough, you know, to find a way that they didn't look exactly like all the other newborns, like the ones that I showed you. So she's so pretty. Oh, I love her. Look at the blue eyes, and the blushing is perfect. Her face sculpt is perfect. Okay, so all right, Lunas, we're going to put you over here. So now we're going to look at Mario. Mario. Okay, so here we go. This is the onesie that came underneath the snowsuit. So they all come like this, with the 2020 onesie, and then the little sleeper snowsuit, whatever you want to call it. So these are my, definitely can say they're my favorite. These are my two favorite newborn, of the newborn size that I have. They're very special. I immediately fell in love with them when I saw them on the website. But unfortunately, with the special edition kids, they're not easy. They're not easy to get. I mean, because everybody wants them, and sometimes people buy multiple, and you got to be really, really fast. But I ended up with a boy and a girl from this edition, so I'm very, very happy about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I'm trying to find new Cabby ideas. Like, you know, I've been doing this for so long, okay? I've been making these videos for you guys for almost 2 years now. In January, it's going to be 2 years, and it doesn't feel that long. I enjoy every second of this, and it seems like you guys do too, and I'm so grateful for you. I really am. I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't want to stop making these videos for you. As you guys know, I do videos of not just Cabbage Patch Kids. You know, I review other dolls, vintage and new, what's on the market right now. I just love my dolls. But you know, my friend Michelle said it best when she said, you know, your first love was the Cabbies, and that is the absolute truth. These are my heart right here. But unfortunately, you know, I've been doing this for so long that I feel like I've been through my whole collection, and I'm always getting new ones, and I love doing those reviews for you when I get the brand new ones and I unbox them, and you guys get to see my excitement and stuff, and that's always fun. But aside from that, I feel like it's getting repetitive. So if you guys want to send me any requests as far as Cabbies go, it's so appreciated, because I want to keep making these videos for you, but I don't want it to seem redundant. I don't want to keep repeating myself, and because I want to keep you guys interested too, you know. So if you guys have any ideas of anything, maybe I missed something, you know, because I want to keep these videos coming for you guys. I know how much you love them, and I love them too. And with each video, it's a new opportunity for me to interact with these guys, and I don't know if you can tell, I'm so happy right now. This made my day to be able to do this video for you guys, because look at I got to hold Happy, I got to see my sweet Lunas again. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.